Hi guys, Nadeja here. Welcome to my channel, Living the Line. How many of you, if you're first time here, welcome. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for taking your time out of your precious day to spend with me. Secondly, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you guys for supporting my channel. I'm over 200 subscribers. So excited, so excited. And I'm looking forward to the day where I can say, hey guys, I'm almost at 2,000. Yeah, I'm looking forward to all that. But in the meantime, wanted to share a health tip and trick with you guys. How many of you guys could do this? Wait. I was looking into some specific brain training exercises, and this is one of them. This, along with standing on your left leg for 1 minute a day by itself. You just stand there and balance on one leg, your left leg, for 1 minute. Then balance on your right leg for another minute. Just 60 seconds. They say that actually strengthens your brain. When you guys squat down in like that position, I think it's a Kundalini position. They say you also lengthen your life by doing that. It's something about your spine and all that you're stretching. You squat down and you keep both of your feet planted on the floor. And in doing that, you close your hands like this and your elbows push out on your thighs and you just sit there. And guys, it's actually really comfortable. I do it because they say it lengthens your life. Anything that lengthens your life and helps you to be healthier, I'm doing it. Guys, make sure you check out my videos about honey and garlic, about raw garlic, I did a couple of smoothie videos as well. Just go through my channel, y'all. Go through my channel and look at all my stuff. Everything's not about religion. It's really not. It's about relationships, also religion, spirituality, health tips, beauty tricks, cooking. I'm actually going to do sewing video too. I'm going to do a sewing video where I make like a pillow. I can sew, y'all, by hand. I don't have a machine. I can like fix a hole, hem some pants, sew on a button, repair a zipper, make a pillow. I can do that. I can do the womanly, girly, wifey stuff. Just helpful things to kind of help. I learned it actually in 2nd grade. Miss Northup, I don't even know if she's still alive. She was a sweet Asian lady, and she taught us in cooking class. And I remember I was 2nd grade. Was that 2nd grade or 4th grade? I was young, y'all. And I remember that lady because it was so much fun. We made a little, it was like a hamburger bun pillow, and we sewed on the sesame seeds. It's amazing how when you're growing up, you remember stuff like that. That's how I understand when kids have good memories, they remember them, and kids have bad memories or they're mistreated. I get how they remember that. Because I sure enough remember Miss Northup. I think it's Northrup. Miss Northrup. Yeah. But I hope she's doing good. That was my 2nd grade teacher. It's been like, a long time. So she might not still be with us. But she might. She was older then, too. But if she's still alive, may she have a lot of goodness left in her life. She was a good teacher. To me, anyway. But, guys, I just wanted to come on here and promote my other videos. Look through my whole page. I remember one time I came across this person's page that I liked. Well, I liked the video of this, and I went to their page. I went through like all their videos. I was like, yo, this is a cool person. Their content was really good. I liked it. So I went through everything, and I liked all their videos, and I just binge watched their whole channel. Feel free to do that, guys. Feel free to binge watch my whole channel. I almost have 250 videos now. Yeah, I'm up there. It's over 200 for sure. And I have shorts too. I do a short and a video every day. Sometimes if it's like the weekend, I do like 3 or 4 shorts. And I find that the more I do shorts, the more people come to the channel and like the content. So yeah, keep that up, guys. But things like this strengthen your brain. I know it's weird. Things like this, when you can pull your fingers apart, put them together, and then do these outside, it strengthens your brain, guys. That and standing on one leg for a minute, then your left leg for a minute, right leg for 1 minute, and make sure you watch the clock. A minute or longer is good for your brain. All right, guys, I just wanted to come on here and give that little tidbit for you. Hope it helps. Remember, knowledge means nothing if you don't apply it. Application of knowledge is what you need to do, right? People know all day it's bad to smoke for your body, but people still smoke. So they know a lot, but they just haven't gotten around to quitting yet. Or maybe some people don't want to quit. I talked to somebody one time. They were like, I don't want to quit. To each his own. I ain't mad at you. But guys, take care of yourself. Any tips and tricks or any tips, health benefits that you want to share, let me know. I'll look into it and do a video on it. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.